Yeah, quick feedback. Somebody can tell the sessions are clear to you people, I believe. Soumya, you're not spoken. So if you can get, I can get one feedback. Soumya, Pavan, okay. Sanjana, either of you, Kulkarni or Hangal, are getting my sessions clarity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Nikhil, thank you. Okay. Hope this is helping you people to shape your careers. Yeah, thank you, Vaishnavi. Perfect, perfect, Purnima. Purnima, are you able to connect with the laptop now? So that if you can share quickly, I would have settled your queries and I would have continued with that. Yeah, Pavitra, you are catching the sessions helpful for you. You can type it or you can tell me. We'll wait for one more minute. Set of people are joining. Yes, Pavitra, thank you very much. You have a query or you raised your hand? Okay, I assume that you are understanding. Okay, or if you have a query, please go ahead. You can ask me question.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
yes, Anjana, please go ahead.
Sir, in 2007 Excel, sir, slicer option is not available.
Yeah, absolutely. I forgot to tell
I
this.
have to update it.
Slicer has to be is available only from 2010.
Oh,
Slicer is only available since 2010 version. Prior to that, Slicer was not there. Okay, so
yes,
we used to do it everything with the filters only.
filter.
Okay, so please upgrade. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, shall I share? And we'll start with the discussion. Hope people will going to join quickly. 1 second, just share it. Okay. As I said, we need to get into the relationships between different worksheets. Okay, so I have created or I have a data where a set of students are there with a roll number. I just given a fancy roll numbers AAA001 and so on. I just dragged it and I have some data with me. Okay, some no names for me. They are my students sometimes. Okay, they have just taken their names and I have created two more sheets. You can see that. One is a maths sheet where those set of students have scored some marks. Okay, as well as there is another sheet. There are only 22 records are there where these 22 students have given exam for English. Okay, now I wanted to create, okay, I wanted to create, yeah, before I go, I think data is visible. Quick one answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. So student data. Okay. So there are, I'll just tell you how many students are there. Yeah, there are 99 students are there. Okay. Last one is Yogita. First one is Akash. Second data sheet, I have maths students where there are, yeah, 91 students are out there. In English, there are hardly some 22 students are there. Invariably, I wanted to create a report out of it where I wanted roll number, math scores, and English scores, something like that. Okay, to do this, we go for pivot table. Okay, it's not simply pivot table, it is a pivot table with relations. Okay, coolly listen to the next 4 minutes very clearly. Okay, maybe you can make a note of it somewhere. Okay, you can go with that. So as we know that I can go with pivot table available in the insert menu. Okay, I go with that. I prefer to have a new worksheet because it is going to be a jumble of many things. So I'll go prefer to have a new worksheet. Okay, and I'll, yeah, before going further, I just wanted to give that very clearly. Today's session is all about tables. Okay, so please create whatever the data are there. Please create it as a tables. Okay, look at it. Student, click on design, you will get to know. Okay, it is a table. How will you get to know? As in you click on that any part of the table, it is a design. Okay, name of this particular table is student. Okay, second one, I'll go to the next sheet. Look at that, look at it. It's the name of the table is marks. Okay, I'll go to the third one, English. Click on this, it's given it as a marks file. I'll change it as English. Okay, for better understanding, I'll keep it as English. Okay, so I have a three tables. Without tables, just impossible to set any relation, please. Okay, create tables. Using tables, I'm going to create a pivot table. I repeat it once again. Okay, I have three tables in different three sheets. Okay, they need to be table, otherwise I cannot set any relationship. Okay, so there are three sheets, three tables are there, they are given names, student, marks, and English. Okay, so I'll be going with pivot table, insert pivot table. Okay, I'm creating a table with student as a part. I'm going to create a new worksheet. Be clear, you're going to click on add data from data model. Please, you have to check this so that I can connect with the multiple sheets. Okay, make a note that it is the last option. There is a checkbox. Please check it so that I can connect to multiple sheets. So what I've done is I've gone to roll number data sheet. I've chosen the table as student. I clicked on add data and I've chosen a new worksheet altogether. I hope it is clear. I'm going proceeding next. Click on OK. It will create one sheet for me. And okay, getting some slower down. Okay, probably the network problem. Okay. Yeah. Let it take a sweet time it is taking because multiple sheets need to be connected. It's loading the data model. You can see that at the bottom there is a message. There are multiple sheets are there, so it is taking bit time. There is some data is there in this. just thinking, can I cancel these and do once again? Should not take so much of time normally. Oof, some problem. Okay, I'll just close. I'll just stop sharing and I'll do it once again. Give me a second. Okay, I'll just close this and once again I'll do it. Yeah, some problem with Excel. Okay. Perfect. Meanwhile, set of people have joined back. Thank you very much. Yeah, to have more effective things, I again put it to you people. Please, if you can get the latest version of Excel, which will make you more comfortable and learn a lot of things. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. And I'll be sharing the screen for you people. I hope screen is visible. Right. I'll again start. Insert. Pivot table. Chosen student. As I said, add this data to the data model. Click on OK. Yes. Okay. So I got a sheet out there and pivot table menus are available. Okay. Now, those who are already worked with pivot table, you know that. Okay. Table is available over here. Now, the beauty part of this is active table. No doubt in that. If I click on all, can you see all the tables are out there? English, marks, student, sales, whatever the tables are there, everything is in front of you. Okay, I need to set the relationships. Okay, I have everything over here. Right now, what I'll do is I'll pull only student name in the row column. Only I'll pull that, nothing else. Look at it. All the names are in front of you. I need to pull the marks of English and maths. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, bit later. Before that, let me set relation where it is available. It's available under when you are in the pivot table. Okay, there is an analyze menu will come. Okay, if you can remember, you can make a note of it. It will be very good. It will going to help you tomorrow. Okay, so click on relation, which is available under analyze. Okay, so in the pivot table, you will find one menu called as the analyze. Click on relationship. Now look at it. Okay, I can set by default it has set something. Okay, so you can see that marks ka roll number is set to student roll number. Okay, it has already detected. I'll go for one more. Okay, what is that? Student roll number and English roll number also should match. English roll number also should match. Listen to very carefully. I wanted the two tables or multiple tables to connect each other. How this happens? Because I have a unique identifier called as a roll number in this case. Okay, it differs from industry to industry, which is that common identifier will going to be there. We call it as, in terms of information technology, we call it as primary key. In case of education, it is a roll number. In case of any product, it is called as a product ID. In case of employee, it is employee ID. It's still going to be unique. It cannot be repeated for multiple products or multiple people. Okay, in our case, we are taken roll number. So what I'm trying to tell is, look, student roll number should be connected to English roll number. Please connect it. I'm telling it and I'm going to click on OK. Where I got this, it is menu is available under analyze relationship. Analyze relationship. If you can do that, it will connect to the table of student and English. It connected. Okay, look at it. So marks to student, student to English, or you can say however you want. Okay, now once you do that, click on close. Now remaining part is very simple. I'll just pull, okay, English marks from here. I'll just pull it into values. Okay, so it is giving me sum of, I don't want sum of things. I'll set it as whatever I want. Okay, average marks or whatever it is. Okay, you can set it. It's asking relationship. Okay, it is not set yet. I'll do it once again. Because of that, it is giving a whole lot of a thing. I'll take off this field once again. Okay, it is not set. Once again, I'll set it. Analyze relationship. Okay, this auto detect is troubling. I'll delete that. Yeah, student and English, I'll set it and I'll close this. Now I'll go to English, choose the English marks and put it over here. It is auto detect. Okay, yeah, it is counting. Okay, it is not connecting. Student roll number and English roll number. There are multiple. Okay, there is multiple roll numbers are there somewhere, so it is troubling. Okay, I need to find it out. Somewhere there is a multiple roll numbers are there. Whatever it is, I'll just take it with mathematics. Okay, it will going to take me things simpler. Okay, we'll take it out English. We'll see that later. Some data problem. Okay, otherwise it could have been done. Marks relation, I'll just check it out once. Analyze relation. I'll delete this. Okay, new one. Marks roll number to student roll number. I'll fix it. Has taken, close it, and pull the marks of the student in the value. Yeah. Okay, so I repeat it once again. Go to analyze, go to relationship. Okay, put the relation, you can click on new. Okay, put those two tables which are going to be connected. Okay, we'll again try English roll number versus student roll number. Add it, close this. Now we can write it. If it is not mixing up, let us see. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so look at it. There are gaps are there. Only those student marks are coming over here. Only those students. Okay, which is not the student who has not taken the marks. It will not going to appear over here. Okay, maybe you can say like, can I insert the slicer over here? Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. I can choose this. Okay, again, you can see slicers can be brought in over here. Okay, I'll just choose student names because it will going to be easy for me. You can only choose those students. You can find out if any parents are coming. I can show that Akash Gupta. Yes, attended both. Amit. Attended both. Arvind. Attended both. Arjun. Attended both. You can see. Look at it. Badsha Khan not attended English class, English exam. Okay, so you want all, you can click on all and you can do the slicer part of it, which is we have learned in the previous example, previous session. Yeah, quick. Any queries, any discussions, any confusions? Please raise your query, or else we'll go to the next discussion. This is going to be very crucial and very interesting next part. If there is no query, please, for my confirmation, please, if you can say one to me so that I'll assume that you understood pivot table with relationship and we can go ahead with that. Yeah, somebody can ask me the question. Yeah, please, there is a question. No, there is no question. Okay, people are messaging. Please do that. Please do that for me. Okay, I can do analysis of it. I can do the summation part of it. Is equals to, sorry, is equals to C4 plus B4. I can add this. I can get the totals of this. Okay, summation of all these. I can do further. I can do a lot of analysis. Okay, a lot of analysis I can do with. Okay, if somebody scored less than, I can say pass, fail, all that we can do it with this. All that we can do it with this. Yeah, I assume Nikhil, Sanjana, I'll assume you people have, I mean, everybody has understood. Okay, and shall I go with next? That's very important. Okay, that's very, very important. I'll go with that. Okay, yeah, I had one more query question. Okay, employee details and achievements. I can again connect these two and I can show that. Okay, similarly, I can set it. Okay, now I'll not waste the time and I'll get into the first data. Okay, next one, timeline. Okay, timeline is another similar kind of a slicer, but it will going to work only with the data which is of the kind of date and time. I repeat, okay, I wanted something which is going to be very handy, okay, which talks about timeline. Say for example, I wanted the data should be sliced out with respect to particular time frame, say month, say different dates, days, year, okay, 2 years, 1 quarter, I can do that. Only thing required for this is in your data, there should be a date column. Interestingly, whatever I brought a sample for you people, it is having a date column in that. If you have a date column, I can definitely add one more flavor to this is I can insert a timeline into that, which is going to be very, very, very handy for any management people who can do that, any commerce people who can do that, any HRM people who can handle the data in a very efficient way. I can say that they can do the wonders in seconds. Okay, so you already learned slicer. I'll be adding one more flavor for it, okay, which is going to be called as a timeline. Okay, let me see how exactly it can be done. Okay, previously or done, I'll again add that, okay, which can refreshing for you people. I'm going to add a slicer again, okay, for our understanding. Okay, click on design, you'll get a slicer. Okay, so I'll insert 1 or 2 slicers out of it. Okay, so I'm going to pick, say, current country, segment. Okay, say then I'll pick it, say, product. Okay, 3 things I'm going to pick it. You know that, and then you select any of these, it will going to work for us. Perfect. Okay, so now maybe you can, yeah, I forgot to tell you that time. I can set the colors for them. You can see there is a beautiful colors are there. One is with the lace. Okay, country I'll put it as golden color. Segment I'll put it in some other color. Okay, you can have the beautification can be done however you want. Yeah, green, this. Okay, so 3 colors I have set it. You can set whichever the colors you want it. Okay, that's not a great thing, but yes, people will prefer. Okay, people will prefer. Okay, now datas are there. I have not done any slicing. Now I'll go for, okay, 10 more minutes. We'll finish it off. Don't worry. Okay, I'll go for insert. Okay, you can see beside slicer in the insert menu, I have a timeline. Click on timeline. Sorry, I need to be inside this. Okay. Where it is. Net connection. Wait a while. What happened? Troubling me. Okay. Choose once again. Okay. I'll delete these. Yeah. Quickly I'll go for. Once again, I'll create a pivot table out of it. Let us see. With the sales. I'll pick country wise. Units sold. Okay, with respect to product. With respect to product. This is what exactly happens. Okay, now you can see that if I click on insert timeline, whatever the date is there, it will going to pick for me. Look at this slicer. It has given full to me. Okay, now I can pick only September data, only July data. Okay, and at the top here, you can see I can have year, quarter, months, dates. I can go for quarters. Look at this beauty of this. I can go for only one quarter. Okay, I can go for quarter 4 of 2013. Quarter 2, is there any data? No data is there. Quarter 3, some data. Quarter 3 of 2014, some other data. Okay, and this I can again have different color combinations. I can go for it. Okay, can I have quarter 1 and 2 put together? Yes, I can do that. It will going to give me automatically whatever the things you wanted to have it. Okay, I'll show you once again what I have done. Okay, so I'll just delete this. Okay, what I have done, I created a pivot table out of it. Okay, it need to be a pivot table. Timeline will not work with the simple data or data table. It works with the pivot table. Okay, I have chosen country wise, product wise, how much is the gross sale occurred. Okay, you can have that. And once you are done, as I said, I need to have a date column in that. I can go with the multiple. I can have a profit also along with this. Okay, so I'm going to get it. How much is sales occurred? How much is profit occurred? Now for this, I wanted a timeline. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to analyze, insert timeline. If data is available with the date, any data where data is available, it will come out here. Click on OK. It will be coming and sitting at this side. Okay. Now you can ask it to quarterly or you can ask it yearly. Look at it. I'll put it as yearly. Now look at it. If I put it at 2013, it gives me some data. If I click on 2014, the data are changing. I don't want yearly. I'll go with monthly. Look at it. I'll put December 2013, data are changing. November 2013, data are changing. October 2013, data are changing. You can see that. Okay, it will go on. It will go on. Lots of things are there. I'll start with the June. No data. July. No data. August. Starts with September. Starts with September. Don't want monthly. I can go with the quarterly data. Okay, I can straight away go to quarter number 4 of 2014. You can see that there is a quarter number 2014 and 2013. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 is there. Q3, it will going to tell me, look at it, how much I got it for different product. Okay, how much I got it for different product and how much profit I have earned. Sales versus profit. Sales versus profit. I can do that. Okay, I can put a graph also for this. Okay, I can put a graph also for this, and I can lot of learnings can be done. Any queries quickly because only 3 minutes are left. Any queries, please? If you want, you can ask me the tomorrow session also. I can repeat it once again. I can show you with another data also. I'll do that rather because it's very important. No queries? Absolutely no queries. Shall I do once again? Oh, time is running out. Okay, I don't feel I can do that. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I'll repeat it once again. Okay, Nikhil, I'll do it once again. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, don't worry. I'll do that. 3 minutes are there. Okay, so what we have to do is from the given table, create a pivot. Create a pivot table. Think that this is I have created with the sum of gross sales. Okay, create a pivot table When you click on pivot table, you will get analyze. You can find there from the analyze. I can definitely go for insert timeline. Okay, insert timeline. You can see that it is over here. And then you click on timeline, whichever the data type of date is there, it appears. Further, it is your wish and will how you wanted to play with this timeline. I'm telling it in a very hurried way. Okay, it needs some time. I understand that, Nikhil. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Thank you very much, Nikhil. However, I'll repeat this again tomorrow, first minute. Okay, I'll repeat it. And we'll go ahead. I'm going to have, yeah, please. I wanted to share that tomorrow we are going to work with the DB formula, database formulas. That we are going to treat the table as a database, and we are going to work on that. Okay, quickly before the time slaps. Okay, I just wanted to say thank you very much for everybody who has joined for discussion with me with respect to tables. Okay. And yeah, wonderful evening we had it. Okay, with 23-24 people out there. Okay, and we are discussed pivot tables with the relations, tables, slicer, and timeline with me. Okay, thank you very much joining for me. God bless you. Keep learning the skills. Okay, tomorrow again we are going to meet you people with the DB formulas. Good night. See you. Shubharatri. Shall we close? Yeah. Thank you very much. And see you soon tomorrow, 7 o'clock again with the DB formulas.